Hello Numberblock fans, today we are going to explore the new number blocks from 201 to 299 part 14, which I call 240 to 242. Right, so the first character that we're going to build today is our number block 240. So 240 has 200 peach blocks and 40 light green blocks. So we build 240 into 20 by 12 rectangle formation. Because 240 is made out of 12 lots of 24s. Or 24 lots of 12s. Actually, I want to build her as 12 by 20. But it couldn't catch the 20 blocks tall. So I built into 20 by 12 rectangle formation. Right, let's add 40 more to make 240. There, we got 220. And then we put it like this. Alright, almost there. There, we got 240. I think it looks not so good at all. Well, anyways, don't think about it. So we got 240. Well, we need to attach the face stickers because all number blocks should have their own face. 240 isn't the official number block yet, so I make it into with my fan-made number blocks. My own fan-made number blocks. So 240. Well, 240 has 10 is made out of 10 lots of 24s or 24 lots of 10s. So it has the face just like number block 24. But I don't know why number block 24 has blue features. I don't understand. That's why I made 240 with green features. That's to represent the number block 40. Because we got 40 light green blocks in a whole 240. So we got green eyes, eyebrows, and a mouth. Well, you see, 24 is a first member of the Super Rectangle Club because she can make 8 rectangles. But I don't know how many rectangles of the number block 240's got. Right, we got number block 240. For the last thing that we shouldn't forget is the numbering. So here's our finished number block 240. Right, so the next character that we're going to build today is our number block 241. So 241 has 200 peach blocks, 40 light green blocks, and 1 red block. So we build 241 for the first 200 blocks into 20 by 10 rectangle formation, just like the old 240. Alright, we build like this. We got first 120. So another 120, we got 240. Here is our number block 240 again. And then we add 1 additional red block, so we got 241. Since the number block 241 is the prime number again, well, we see number block 241 is the 53rd member of the prime club. So which means 241 has the face similar like the number block 53. That's because 53 has the skateboard helmet eyebrows, because number block 53 is the 16th member of the prime club. So the eyebrows should be pointy. So that's why 241 has the eyebrow just like 53. And that's why 53 has the eyebrows just like a skateboard. But actually 16 is not a skateboard. 16 is the pointy shape. So that's why the numbers which can divide by 53s or 241 should have a pointy eyebrows. It's very hard to peel that sticker. Alright, the eyebrows just like this. Look. Aw, so cute. And also we got the red mouth. Oh wait, I forgot to tell you, 241 has the red features. Red eyes, eyebrows, and a mouth. But the eyebrows are checkered just like 14. So here's our number block 241, which is the 53rd member of the Prime Club. For the last character, so we build 242 into 200 like peach blocks, 40 like green blocks, and 2 orange blocks. So we build like this. Actually, I want to build 242 into 22 by 11 rectangle 11 by 22 rectangle formation. So this is the last character that I've built. That I'm going to build today. Oh, oopsie. Sorry that this is a bit clumsy. There's our. Oh my gosh, this is so hard to build because the dual connectors. Oh my god, how to put it? Great. And then we add 2 orange blocks. There's our number block 242. So let's attach the face stickers. So we got the orange eyes, eyebrows, and the mouth. That's because to represent the number block 2. 2 has 2 orange blocks. There. But the 242's eyes are bigger than each other. This is because 242 is made out of 22 lots of 11s or 11 lots of 22s. Just like this. There. We got eyebrows too. Then we attach the mouth. And then the another eyebrow. But the eyebrow is smaller too. There. And then we attach the numbering for the last character. So here's our number block 242. This is all of the characters that we built today. Which character do you like the most? 240, 241, or 242? Please leave the comments. So that's all of the characters that we built today. If you want to see my new videos, make sure to click like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more notifications from my new videos. So, see you again next time. Bye bye!